Hi everybody, we are in Salmon, Idaho right now. We are making our way through the state. We're going to go to Montana by this evening and see my brother, and we are traveling with my with my brother David and my sister-in-law Merlene. We have really buckled up and put on some rain gear this morning.
It's supposed to rain between here and Kalispell, Montana, and that's okay. We've driven and we've ridden in rain before, coming out of Richfield, Utah, and out of Missoula before, so we're not afraid of it. But,
no, we've been praying for a lot of rain, so we can't turn it away, but I hope it kind of goes around us today.
We'll be fine.
Sing, won't you sing with me? Leave everything for me. Stay the night. Oh, miss your flight. Walk through the rain with me. Get soaked to the skin, feel free. Shut the world out. Let's hang out. Oh, I used to see in colors, now it's gray. Till I met you at the concert the other day. The whole room lit up with warm, sunny rays. Tonight we'll turn minutes into days.
Okay, my hands, I'm going to try really hard to hold this camera still, but hurry. We have been, it actually hasn't been too bad.
No, it's not been too bad.
But
we've gone through 2 passes, and it's been raining through both passes. The roads have been wet. It's been a little chilly, 50 degrees. All the way from Salmon to Kalispell, and it's just, we're gonna have to take a nice hot
shower
to warm up, but a lot of fun. Update for you. We made it through those passes. We made it through the rain, and we are huddled up.
And David and Merlene are still in the heater.
We're huddled up on the heater. Oh,
it is cold.
Well, Chad and I, so far we've had a wonderful trip, and we've gotten through these rainstorms. And now we can just sit here and relax and watch them from our porch.
Yep, it feels good to be sitting here out on a patio, just watching and listening and smelling the rain. It's a nice break from having to drive in it.
Yep, it is. Anything else you want to add? Okay.
Yep, it's just.
We played cards all afternoon. We played cards all afternoon.
Played cards and just didn't get up until 10:30, 11 o'clock. Before I knew it, we were playing cards. What time is it? 6:30. Oh my gosh, the day's done.
Yeah, we haven't gotten on our bikes at all today. We've just rested.
It's been nice to take a day off traveling.
Tomorrow we're gonna go to dinner or lunch, breakfast. I don't know. Okay.
Be another relaxing day. The rest of this week is going to be just kick back and do as little as possible. Only because I love you.
Yeah.
And that's the only reason.
Yeah, you do. You cook and do dishes.
Yeah.
Good for you.
I tried.
So I won.
You won again, huh?
She thinks she won.
I won the game of cards again.
Yeah. You believe,
Jennifer.
You believe that.
Well, honey.
I got some oceanfront property to tell you.
Oh, that's bad.
You came in second to the last. David,
Who
yeah.
came in last?
Yeah.
I don't know. They put coolers there.
Yeah.
So
Let's
how big
see.
is it? Yeah, see, that's nice.
Yeah. I you know, I worry
The
about
wheels
those
are all
wheels.
thin.
I don't know if they're that thin. Well, they're all incandescent bulbs. They're not LEDs.
Yes, the lighting in here is terrible, and for 2 weeks I've had a bad hair day because all day long we ride our bikes,
That's right.
and then we maybe go out to eat once a day, and then at nighttime we play cards. And it's like we just got married or something. We're having friends over for dinner. We've got a pizza in the oven, and we're having our friends over.
Are we having a salad?
And no, just
Nope.
pizza. So I have not properly, let me get the camera here. I have not properly introduced my brother David. Isn't he cute? Oh. And this is my sister-in-law Merlene. And they are the best friends and the best, oh, you guys are just awesome. They invited us on this trip, and we've just had a great time, haven't we?
We've had a ball.
We've visited family along the way.
Yeah.
We've still got family to visit, and it's just been fun.
Friends, and we've driven a lot of miles.
We've
This-
been 1,500 miles so far.
Yeah.
Right at.
On the back of a bike, we can tell them.
That's right. That's right.
The scariest part, I think, is worrying about when it rains about hydroplaning
Yeah.
or having a deer jump out in front of us.
Right.
Those two things, and having stuff falling off of trucks, but we worry about that all the time.
Yes.
Anyway, having fun here. You bet. Gotta show our food.
Yeah, it's good.
Well, hurry because I'm hungry.
Okay, well we split. We order our meals and they split it for us, and it's half the cost and we still get full, and if we're not full, we get dessert.
Not only that, yeah, you can get a treat later.
We just take our picture everywhere we go. And we find a cute backdrop.
And
Oh, it's really
And
nice
then
here.
those two are always doing the same thing. In fact, I think David would make a better vlogger than I am, for sure.
Yeah,
Aren't they cute?
they are.
Oh my.
Those two need to get a room.
Get a room!
Okay, then let's hurry.
Used to laugh at everything. Remember all the games we played. I remember them like they were yesterday. You used to be my Valentine. No, I'm not even sure you're mine. Why, baby, why? Why, baby, why? Do you ever just stop and wonder? We can't let this thing go under. Find a string of hope there somewhere. We don't have much time at hand, so first we have to understand why.
Well, we are going to close the video here, and thank you so much, David and Merlene. Thank you for this wonderful trip.
It
was
has
the
been fun.
nicest, most relaxed
Oh.
vacation I have been on
Well,
in
thank you.
forever.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It was half yours, so
Well,
yeah. Thank
It was fun.
and we, every morning, we say a little prayer, don't we?
Yeah. Yeah.
Every morning, so we'll travel
Sure do.
safe and have some extra protection on us. So whose turn is it today?
What's everybody looking at me for?
Well, it's not hers.
It might be mine.
It might be yours. I really think it was yours.
Well, the pressure's really on when
I
it's
know,
mine.
I
It's
know.
like, ooh. Okay. Our Heavenly Father, we thank you this morning for
Sister, sis.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.